Let me show you what's new in CorelDRAW 2026. One of the coolest updates is the AI Generate Docker, which lets you create images from text prompts in just a few clicks. To start, click the Create Image button. Pick an AI model and choose an aspect ratio. Then type your description. Select a style or color palette if you like, and hit Generate. Each time you click Generate, new images appear directly in your document, ready to use or tweak. Let's try another example. This is the prompt I'm going to use. Let's hit Generate. Here's the result. Pretty amazing, right? You should definitely try it. Zoom in and take a closer look at the details. Wow, amazing. If you're new to AI, you can click Inspire Me to help you write a prompt. And then just click Generate to see what you get. Perfect. Next, let's take a look at Remix Images. Just click on the icon here, then choose your model. I'll pick Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to restore an old family photo using Remix. Upload your image, add your prompt, and click Generate. Perfect. The image was completely restored. That's great. We can also use Remix Images to transform a simple sketch into a realistic photo. Just upload your image, choose your model, write your prompt, and click Generate. It's that simple. Voila. Zoom in and take a closer look at the details. Wow, amazing. Another powerful thing you can do with Remix Images is change the entire scene using just a prompt. The new AI Background Remover automatically detects the subject and removes the background with a single click. Import your image, right-click on it, and choose Remove Background. That's it. As simple as that. The AI does an excellent job every time. Enjoy a fresh, modern interface that feels consistent whether you're on desktop or the web. CorelDRAW's redesigned UI is built around your feedback, with updated icons, smoother controls, and colors that make it easy to see what's active. That's it. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.